if you're an executive who is looking to build out a PMO and find somebody to run it, I would very much caution you not to hire, what's a kind word?
A process wonk.
A process wonk. That was exactly what I was going to say.
We've seen it so many times. I mean, share some. I have stories. You have
almost
stories,
every organization has them, right? And I think, let me be fair. I think there's value for people who are really passionate about the science, the academic elements of project management, right? And I think they're a little Pollyanna about, projects. I don't know if you ever reach a point. I'll just be honest. I've been in one organization in my entire life who's essentially functioned smoothly. One, and that was a startup, and that was who just kind of where it just, there was the product team who envisioned products by listening to customers and then translated that into stuff, and then there was a negotiation on capacity, and then it turned into a set of work, and that work was tested. Like one. All the rest have some sort of dysfunction, and I think you can't put that type of a person in charge of rolling this out, because you have to put someone who's just practical, who's been there, who has scars, who will shudder when you say certain things because a memory will pop in their head, right? I mean, those are the people you want, because they've been through it, and they're not going to do something that's going to repeat those experiences.